Welcome, friends. Today we're diving into a quick but crucial update for anyone using Telegram who values their privacy. If you've ever felt uneasy about strangers seeing your phone number on the platform, this guide is for you. Let's walk through the steps to lock that down. First, grab your phone and open the Telegram app. Look for the 3 horizontal lines or your profile icon in the top left corner. Tap that. This opens the menu where you'll find Settings. Click it, and then head straight to Privacy and Security. This section is your control center for everything related to who sees what about you on Telegram. Now here's where the magic happens. Scroll until you see phone number and tap it. You'll notice Telegram defaults to letting everybody see your number. Not ideal, right? Let's change that. Select My Contacts instead. This tweak ensures only people in your saved contacts can view your number. No more random group members or strangers creeping into your DMs with your digits. But wait, there's a bonus layer. If you want to go full stealth mode, choose Nobody. That's right, 0 visibility. Not even your contacts will see your number. Perfect for those who want maximum privacy or prefer keeping their Telegram identity separate from their real-life contacts. Once you've made your choice, hit Save. That's it. Your phone number is now shielded according to your preferences. Telegram will still let you message anyone, but your number stays under wraps. Quick pro tip. While you're here, glance at the other privacy settings. You can adjust who sees your last seen status, profile photo, and more. Tailor it all to fit your comfort zone. Privacy isn't just a setting, it's peace of mind. By taking these simple steps, you're putting yourself back in control of who gets access to your personal information. No tech degree required. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to keeping your digital life a little more secure. Until next time, stay savvy out there.